Hello, sixth grade families. Brian here. I just wanted to take a quick moment to review how you can keep track of your students' work completion grade. Work completion in my class refers to the independent assignments that I have assigned to your student, whether or not they are keeping up with those assignments and staying on track, and doing the regular practice that's required in order to be successful in math. So I wanted to make sure that you all are aware of how to track your students' work completion grade. Right now, you're looking at a Google Classroom page. This is my fake student account. So in order for you to track your students' work completion grade, you'll have to have them log into their Google Classroom. There is a parent feature where you can log into Google Classroom. However, you're not going to be able to get as good of information. So the best way is for you to ask your student to log in for you, and then you can check out their work completion grade from there. So this is my fake student account. If I clicked on this, this is our home page. What you'll want to do is to navigate to the Classwork tab. This shows all the assignments that have been assigned so far this semester. It's a new semester, so there's not too many assignments yet. This page really just tells you what assignments have been turned in. If they're grayed out, they've been turned in. If they're blue, I think they could have been turned in, but not quite graded yet. What is more valuable is to click onto this View Your Work button right over here. So you go to Classwork tab, you click on View Your Work. View Your Work is going to take you to all of your graded assignments or your students' graded assignments. So on this page, you can see at the top, my percentage is 68% for work completion. There's sort of three different things you're going to see for work completion. You're going to see that percentage, but when you're looking at assignments, you're going to see if an assignment is missing, this means the due date has come and passed and it has not been turned in yet. So you might see some missing work on there. You also might see a 0. Your student will receive a 0 if they turn in a blank assignment or if they don't turn it in. After it gets to past a week, I'll grade it so that they don't have a bunch of missing and they can see what their percentage is with that 0. So I will start grading missing assignments and giving them 0s for those. Students can always go back and do missing assignments in order to get full credit. I'm not taking any points away for late assignments, so they're able to go back and complete assignments for full credit. So this one can be turned in and get those 15 points. And the third thing you'll see is an assignment that's graded and it's got full points. That means they did it, they turned it in, full points. And this is what we're looking at here for the grade. My goal for all students is to have a work completion grade that's at least above 75%. Obviously, you and your student can set goals together that is different than that. But I will be reaching out to families of students who have a work completion grade less than 75% so we can work on increasing that work completion. But this is the page that you're going to look for in order to track your students' work completion. Ask them to log in. It's a good place to go to and then have a conversation with your student about how they're doing. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. This is how we can track our students' work completion.